koutou. Hi, my name's Ashlynn.
And Moratado, Winton School, I'm Sarah. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Rad 2, the 10th of March.
Okay, we start the day with sports news. There is no Have a Go cricket this week for year 1 to 4 students. So, back on next week.
Still a few items from the sports gear being left out at the end of lunchtime and playtime.
All senior relay runners meet Miss Collett on the Eglinton Street field at interval for another practice.
That's right now. All team members, including reserves, and it's must-do cure.
And of course, return all sports equipment into the trolleys. Thank you.
This week's word is
ukurere,
which is koutou or ukulele.
Techie Team news. You have a meeting in room 13 at lunchtime today. Kia ora.
HiViz Vests. Nearly all students are wearing them. HiViz Vests. Oh, remember every day to and from school.
Okay, no birthdays at Winton School today, but Chuck Norris is officially 74.
Happy birthday to you, sir.
Okay, that's a wrap for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite popo.
Haere Winton School.